Hello guys, welcome back to a Small Canadian Beekeeper. Today we're the 1st of December 2020. Just came to my hive. It's around 20 degrees Celsius right now. You know, it's a lot of dead bees on the ground. Dead bees on the ground, dead bees underneath the hive. Same thing here, dead bees underneath the hive. And a lot of bees in the entrance too. Right in front of my mouse guard. The thing is, guys, there's no need for panic if you see this. If you did my 3 rules of thumb, you're pretty sure or you're pretty much guaranteed that they will survive. First is a weight check. If they're between 70 and 100 pounds of weight, so you're guaranteed that they have enough honey in it. If you want to make sure that they get more honey or more food there, so that they won't run out of food this spring, is to put a candy board on top. Candy board and some burlap. That's my second rule of thumb. And the third is treatment. Were they treated for varroa mite? I use a lot of oxalic acid to treat them, and this helps too to guarantee that they survive during the winter, because those pesky things, they feeds on the bees. And sometimes this is one of the reasons why they come out, to get out the hives, so they don't want to contaminate the rest of the hive. Or sometimes it's only cleansing flight, so there's no worry about it. But the thing is, guys, we have to make sure that we resist of opening the hive. Like here, as you can see, there's snow on the side and on top. That's insulation. The only thing, guys, you need to do is put your ear next to the hole. So, see, one just came out. She's courageous, eh? Thing is to put your ear right to the hole, not getting too scared of getting stung on the ear, and try to listen. If you hear a hum, so that means that your hive is still alive. Because if you open the hive, it releases a lot of the heat. They try and they work hard to keep in check, and you risk of losing more than a lot of bees that you have on the ground if you open the hive. So just be patient. Wait a while. Wait until the weather gets a little bit warmer, till 10-12 degrees Celsius. So that will be probably in February, March. So if you did the right thing and treated your bees well, you shouldn't be panicking about this. We'll probably try to see if you can hear it. Tell me. We'll try to. Probably you won't hear, but we'll try to hear it. I'm filming with the phone right now, so probably you won't hear, but I did put my ear next to it before starting filming, and we heard a loud hum. So this guaranteed that the hive were all healthy and alive. So there's no reason to panic if you see a lot of bees on the ground. Thing is also, probably we'll see some, I do. There's a lot still of male bees, a lot of drones. Late this time of year, it's rarely see this, but there's still some. So sometimes there are drones that they're being kicked out. So if you guys seen things like this, just let me know. Chat. Send me a message. Leave me a comment. Like I said, this is nothing to worry about. Winter is only starting here up north in Canada. We'll see a lot of more snow than this. Snow on the side, don't plow it. Leave it there. It's part of the insulation, so it helps the hive. And like I mentioned, try to resist not to open them. You'll guarantee their survival. So take care of your bees, and they'll take care of you.